In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an easy way for your subscribers to unsubscribe from your emails using Mailchimp. Whether you're new to email marketing or just looking to improve the efficiency of your campaigns, making it simple for users to opt out when they choose is crucial. This can improve your brand's reputation and ensure that your mailing list is filled with engaged subscribers. Let's get started by heading over to Mailchimp. If you don't already have a Mailchimp account, you'll need to set one up. It's a straightforward process, and Mailchimp does a great job of guiding you through their platform until you get comfortable. Once you're logged in, you should be on your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Campaigns section. You can find this option in the main menu on the left side of the page. Clicking on it will take you to a list of all your campaigns. Next, locate the campaign that includes the landing page you want to edit. If you aren't familiar with what campaigns are, they are essentially a way of grouping your marketing efforts, such as emails, ads, or landing pages. Once you've found your campaign, click on it to enter the editing mode. Now that you're in the campaign editor, it's time to add a button that will allow subscribers to easily unsubscribe from your emails. Look through the different content blocks available to you. When you find the button block, go ahead and drag it into your template where you'd like it to appear. Depending on the style and layout of your email, you'll want to choose a location that's visible yet unobtrusive. Once your button is in place, it's time to configure it. First, give it a simple and clear name that tells subscribers exactly what it will do. Something like "click here to unsubscribe" is ideal. This is crucial because clarity can prevent any confusion for your subscribers. Now, to make this button functional, you'll need to input a specific piece of text in the web address URL field, which is crucial for the unsubscribe feature to work. Enter the text "plaso unsub alswas" into the field. This shortcode is unique to Mailchimp and will automatically generate an unsubscribe link when the email is sent. Once you've input the URL, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are kept. And there you have it. Your landing page now has a working unsubscribe button. With the unsubscribe option clearly defined, you decrease the likelihood of your emails being marked as spam. It's a small addition, but packed with benefits, ensuring that those who receive your communications have complete control over their subscription preferences, leading to better engagement metrics for you. Thank you for watching today's guide. I hope this step-by-step process made adding an unsubscribe button to your Mailchimp campaign clear and straightforward. Feel free to explore other customization options within the platform to tailor your campaigns even further. Happy emailing!